Generac 7682 GP6500E Portable Generator. Wrapping up our list of the best Generac generators is another reliable option for your portable power needs. It uses advanced technology to improve its starting capacity by as much as 40% while doing less, similar to the generator mentioned above. It also has an exceptional engine with great serviceability. Not to mention, it has a tough construction, which will make it withstand many years of use. Electric start. If you have used old generators, you would know that starting the engine can be a pain. You will need to pull a string. It may need several pulls before you can make the engine work. Luckily, that will not be the case when you are using this generator. It is designed with an electric start, so it will be ready within seconds. It is also a good thing that the battery for this function is already included with your purchase. 389 cubic centimeters OHV engine. With the engine that you will find in this Generac generator, it is capable of generating up to 6,500 watts of power. Aside from that, another incredible feature of this generator is that it has splash lubrication, which will help in extending the functional life of the engine. 6.9-gallon fuel tank. The large tank of this generator is one more feature well loved by many of its users. We like how it is made of high-quality steel, which is indicative of durability. More so, it has a large capacity. When it is full, it can deliver a total runtime of 10.5 hours, provided that you keep the load at 50%. Low oil level shutdown. This is a common feature that you will find in Generac generators, which is excellent in terms of safety and durability. This will allow the generator to power off on its own as soon as it detects that the oil is at a dangerously low level. If it continues to operate, then it will end up damaging the engine. Dual grip handle. The handle comes with a dual grip design, so you can use two hands for pushing, pulling, or lifting the generator. It can also be folded down to make it more compact, especially if you will be storing it in a place with limited space.